You're watching News Leader 9 with Cheryl Renee and meteorologist Greg Majewski.
Welcome back to News Leader 9 at noon. You're taking a live look from our Alpha Insurance Sky Cam overlooking Opelika or Eufaula.
I'm sorry, that is Opelika.
Opelika, there we go.
I meant to put it on Eufaula, but I put it on Opelika. That's my bad. But I do want to show the flag, though. You notice the flag there kind of fluttering. A little bit of a breeze out there today, and the thing today, though, is it's going to be a little milder, not only with the warm weather, you're going to notice the humidity kind of sneaking back up. That may feel a little more uncomfortable because it's been so dry all week. So we're going to take a look at that setup. We're explaining the setup for severe weather tomorrow. I'm going to show you what's going on. And, boy, they're really expecting it out in the plains. So looking at a warm streak that's getting ready to end. We're going to see the 80s once again across many portions of the area today. Severe weather threat coming in for tomorrow. And then we're going to look at some little wet weather coming in for next week, as well as some cooler temperatures as we begin the new work week next week. So now as we take a look at what's going on right now, is we're currently sitting at 74 degrees here in Columbus, 74 up in LaGrange, a little more cloud cover up toward Auburn, Opelika. We're at 68 degrees right there, 76 down in Eufaula. So really kind of depending on how thick the clouds are over your area, that's impacting your temperatures. 70 degrees there in Birmingham, 70 degrees in Atlanta. You kind of see this lighter green color, so it's indication that the clouds are maybe a little thicker here, but a little sunnier back over here, so it's warmer, 80 degrees over into Savannah. As we take a look at what's going on with the dew point, this is a measure of moisture in the air. Now, earlier this week, these were sitting down in the 30s and 40s, so the air is pretty dry. When they start getting over 60, you start noticing the humidity a little bit. You notice that it's a little lower over here, but higher back off to the west. It's telling me the moisture is starting to come back in. That's one of the ingredients you look for when you're talking about thunderstorm development. Here's the other setup here. You've got southerly winds coming in out of the Gulf. You have a jet stream coming this way. You notice we've got a tornado watch box now up for portions of Missouri and Arkansas there. And so when you get this kind of convert where it's kind of going perpendicular like that, that's what we call wind shear. The winds are changing with height. So when these thunderstorms blow up, they're getting a lot of spin in them, and that's why you have the tornado watch box sitting right in there. Now, what's going to happen with this system is this main low is going to be tracking this way. So all those dynamics are going in this direction. That's why, even though we're going to have a slight risk for severe weather tomorrow, I don't think tornadoes are going to be the big issue for us. We're going to worry about some gusty winds, potential lightning, and some potential hail there, but most of the energy is going to be going off toward the north. In fact, our models are suggesting it'll be weakened a little bit. There's a hot spot right there for today. Arkansas, Missouri, heading over to western portions of Kentucky and Tennessee and even northern Mississippi. And then for tomorrow, lining up from Georgia back through Alabama. Again, that's what we're expecting. It's a slight risk getting into our area. Put this into motion here for tomorrow. Check this out. As we go ahead and look at this, we're looking pretty good. Here comes the front. The thunderstorms will probably be forming out ahead of the front, and you'll see it kind of like right there. Seeing it here coming in late tomorrow and then moving on through, and then it kind of diminishes a bit. Then this front's going to die out. It's going to decay, and as it does so, it'll turn back into a warm front, and we'll see the moisture come back at us again heading into Sunday and into Monday of next week. Breaking it down for the regions here for today. Looking at temperatures here in the lower to mid-80s this afternoon. 83 in Auburn. Overnight lows expected right around 60 degrees. On the Georgia side, we're going to expect temperatures also in the lower to mid-80s. 82 degrees in Columbus. 84 in Tableton. Overnight lows expected generally into the upper 50s to right around 60 degrees. And for southwest Georgia, also looking at temperatures mostly into the middle 80s. How about 86 in Leesburg? That's pretty warm. And overnight lows expected upper 50s to right around 60 degrees. The next 7 days is how it breaks down for us. You see that rain chance for tomorrow with the afternoon thunderstorms moving in here. Looking pretty good for Saturday in the low 70s, but then here comes the rain coming right back at us for Sunday and Monday. And then cooler temperatures. Yeah, look at that. We drop back into the low 40s heading into next Wednesday morning. So still a little bit of a chill to the air coming in as we head toward the middle of next week.
Okay, so we'll get ready for that and also keep an eye on Friday, right?
Yep, Friday's going to be the active day tomorrow.
Okay, thanks for that, Greg.